my name is Akshata Havaldar, and I'm working in Antarang Foundation from past 3.5 years. And I'm working as an assistant manager in product development. So now I'm handling both product management and both as a data engineer. I'm working. So I'm handling Salesforce, BigQuery, and Dalgo. In our Antarang Foundation, we basically focus on a youth career development.
Okay.
So basically, we are working with government school students, which are grades from grade 9 to grade 12, and we provide a career guidance and we help to provide skills to achieve their relevant career. So previously, before adopting the Dalgo, the challenge is what we have to manually handle the automation and ingestion, all the stuffs. Like for example, our source is Salesforce and our business intelligence tool is Google Data Studio. So there is no connection between source to destination. So we have to create a reports in Salesforce and pull this reports data into the Google Sheets by manually. And if the Google Sheets limit exceeded, then we have to create another Google Sheet.
Okay.
And Google Sheets we are basically used to create a BigQuery tables. So as many as Google Sheets, as many as BigQuery tables we have to create in past. So there is so much manual works we have to do, and so this is not making sense. Ki if we are working with a large data set, like large data set, basically we are working with 5 different states. So इतना सारा data वो अकेले handle करना and like just 1 or 2 persons, so it's not good. We got to know कि there is some tool कि वो automatically ingest करता है data from any source and automatically हम उसको orchestration भी कर सकते हैं. So there is a Dalgo and we happily adopted this Dalgo and like we are happily using it now. It automatically ingested data from Salesforce, Google Sheets, even Kobo Toolbox and many more, and we can like customize like whenever we wanted to ingest data. Like for example, our pipeline is running daily at 4 a.m. So after that, like for orchestration we used and transformation we use DBT. So it also automatically orchestration process also done by Dalgo. We just have to write a code in a DBT कि transform करने के लिए, like model wise कि from which table I need to pick the data and like joins condition वगैरह, and then it's like working as expected.